Hey guys, glad you're coming back for another video. Pretty cool that this content can be here, so if you're not old enough, please turn back now, come back later. Welcome back, I'm the ZoltrixGrower. Today we're going to start in our 3x3 veg number 2. In here from OG Seed, Surefire Genetics, our 5 urinal cake crossed with pure Michigan. I think he decided on pure urinal cake for the name, but I gotta double check that. They're part of the 1 gallon grow challenge going on currently on Discord on the Canadian Seed Testers Alliance Discord channel. So you can see I've got 5 going in here. I've got 3 in plastic pots and 2 in fabric pots. They're all 1 gallon. Even though the fabric do look a little bit bigger, I actually measured the plastic out and they come in under 1 gallon, but that doesn't surprise me. That one there, number 1, I topped. And then this one as well. It might have actually came out more of a FIM. If I get down close and look, I might be able to get a better shot of them. But yeah, these are part of the grow challenge, so we'll see. Hoping to do all right on that. There's some pretty awesome prizes up for grabs on that. Some different seed packs and whatnot, so we'll see how things go. I've got the TNB bottles in there. I pulled the one from Veg 1 as I actually planted some seeds today from a new breeder, new to me I guess, but I will, they're just planted, so I'll talk more about them once they sprout. But they're from Atlas Seeds, so I'm pretty excited for them. If you follow my Instagram, you've gotten a little sneak peek of what they're going to be. In here, I used to have those Max, the Gorilla Glue, and the Fruity Pebbles. Everything I found, 1 or 2 had hermed, and it just seeded everything. The Gorilla Glue, I didn't find seeds or one of the Max, but the pistils were already changed, and like a few weeks in, chances are they're pollinated. So I scrapped them, I cleaned everything up, and I moved these ones over here. So let's move on. Okay, in here in flower tent number 1, we have from Trichrome Kings, another testing program I'm doing on Discord. These are all in 1 gallon pots, all grown organically, and all 1 gallon Grandpa's Pink Tacos. Feminized seeds. They've been growing in the 1 to 1.5 inch range a night. I believe this is like day 5 of flower. They actually transitioned pretty quickly too. I think it only took a few days to start noticing the effects. They're getting watered daily. That one there is sometimes twice a day it's starting, just because it's got by that tower fan. Yeah, but things are doing really well in here. Looking pretty good. I'm excited to see what comes of these. So yeah, we're pretty early on, but I have high hopes for this run. So I've been doing a little leaf tucking so some of them lower branches can get light and be coming up. So yeah, doing pretty good in here. Not too much going on yet, but give it another week or 2 and things are gonna start looking real good, I think. So let's move on to flower tent number 2. Something also, that recent MK Ultra harvest from a ways back, it is dry and ready to trim. So actually tonight I'm going to get trimming that. and see how it does. It should definitely fill a good chunk in the bin for me. So with saying that, we are into flower 2 in the back from I Love Growing Marijuana. You can check them out at ilgm.com. They are Moby dycks. Big, beefy, looking pretty good. That one, it looks like she's got a bit of like an overwater type symptom. Basically, I had cut down her last watering from what I have been giving them, but they're drinking much slowly the last week here, so kind of getting to be in the home stretch. Up front here from Milo Grows, these are his Max. This one's that top's looking kind of crazy. We are in, I don't remember exactly, I think these two are getting about 700 micromoles of par. Yeah. Doing pretty good. They might actually be starting to dry out a little bit. Yes, they are. So we're actually going to do a check in here. Get in and give a little water. So I better get that going. I appreciate everybody watching. Please do me a huge favor, hit that like button down below. Also, if you choose, hit subscribe so you can follow along. See the new genetics coming in the garden here. And leave me a comment down below. Let me know what's growing on. Thank you for watching. Remember to grow your own, everybody. Until next time, I'm the ZoltrixGrower, signing out.